welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first mall haul. Don't quote me on that actually, because I might have done a mall haul. I think I did an outlet mall haul, and I may have done a mall haul like when I went shopping with my friend Melissa, Honeybee Philosophy, maybe, but it's been a while. So let me rephrase that. Welcome to a long overdue mall haul. It's been a while actually since I've shopped like this at the mall. This weekend is Matt's bachelor party, and so I went to the mall by myself. And so usually I go to the mall with him, and he rushes me through those stores. Like, he's a guy, he doesn't want to be at the mall. And so I never really get a chance to like shop like I want to, you know what I mean? So this weekend I went to the mall yesterday and I was there for like 5 hours. I was so happy to be there and be able to like take my time and shop around and try things on and not feel like I was being rushed and pressured. So anyways, Matt, if you're watching, I love you, but sometimes shopping by myself is just a little bit easier. So anyways, I picked up some stuff and I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm also timing this video, or trying to time this video, so that it goes up during the Sephora sale, the spring sale. So I'm gonna start with Sephora actually. So I did pick up some stuff at Sephora. I kind of held off because I'm gonna buy stuff during the sale, but I wanted to show you guys what I did pick up. So the first thing I'm actually wearing on my eyeballs today, and I'm so excited that Sephora re-released Lily lashes. About a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, they had Lily lashes, and then they like discontinued them and they didn't sell them anymore. They put them on Haute, put them to Nordstrom's rack, and now they're back, and I'm like, yes, I'm so excited because I love me some Lily lashes. So the ones I'm wearing on my eyes today, I am just like so over the moon excited about them. These are the lashes I'm going to be wearing on my wedding day. They're actually called Big Day lashes. I bought 2 pairs because, so let me tell you the story. If you follow me on Snapchat, you've already heard this, but I went to Sephora to exchange eyelash glue. So I had the House of Lashes black glue, hated it. So I swapped it out for the Duo, which is another thing here in this haul. Swapped it out for the Duo glue. And when I was at the register checking out, I was kind of chatting with the guy, like I always do, the checkout person. And I was like, oh, I heard you guys are having Lily lashes again. I'm so excited. I don't see them in the store yet. He was like, oh, we have them. They're just in the back. And I was like, oh, you do? And he was like, yeah, I'll go get them for you. And I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. So he brought out this tub of all the lashes, and I saw this white box in there. These lashes are sold out on lilylashes.com. They've been sold out for months and months and months. I have been on the notification email, never got an email. I check occasionally, they're never in stock, and so I kind of had given up on even ever trying these. So I saw the white box in the tub and I was like, are those the wedding lashes? And I picked them up and I didn't look for the name anywhere. I just kind of looked at them and I was like, I don't think those are the wedding lashes. They're so beautiful, but I don't know. And then I compared them to a whole bunch of other ones and I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll get these. I think they're really, really pretty. And then he rang them up, and on the little screen it said wedding lash, and I was like, oh, those are the wedding lashes. And he was like, yeah, those are the wedding lashes. I was like, okay, I need 2 of them. So I got 2 pairs. I'm wearing one today, and then I have a backup in case I mess these up or whatever. I might actually pick up another pair during the Sephora sale because they're so pretty. Like, these are pretty for just like everyday wear, but they're perfect for wedding lashes. They're 3D, so they're 3 layers. And oh my God, they're so pretty. They're like fluffy on the outside and just so, so, so pretty. So yeah, these are called Big Day Lash. I got 2 of those. I also picked up a pair of Miami, which are one of my absolute favorites. I think they're just a bit too much for wedding lashes. I was going to wear these on my wedding day, but now I have the perfect, I mean, they're actual wedding lashes. So that's what I'm gonna end up wearing. These are mink, 3D mink, and these don't say that they're made out of mink, but they're very, very soft. I want to say these are faux mink, and then the Miami ones are actual mink. So, because the Miami ones were $30 and the wedding lashes were $20. So, I also picked up a pair of Huda lashes. I have never tried Huda lashes before, but I've just kind of been wanting to try them. So I picked up the style Jade number 13. These are faux mink. These are also 3D, so they have like the 3 layers. These remind me kind of Miami by Lily, but they're just a little bit more fluffy. I've been on a lash kick lately. I've been buying lashes like crazy. I will say the Huda lashes have a really thick band. Some of the Lily lashes do too, but the wedding lash has a really thin band. So it just depends on your preference. I'm excited to try that out. And then of course I got the Duo. And then the last thing I got at Sephora was a repurchase. This is my favorite moisturizer. I think they discontinued this at Ulta. I hope they're not completely discontinuing it because this is my favorite moisturizer. I was this close to purchasing it on Amazon because it's only $35 on Amazon, but my fear is that it's fake, like it's a rip-off product. It's not the actual authentic Peter Thomas Roth. The Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Moisturizer, by the way. So I bought it at Sephora because I'm not about to screw up my skincare right now. I'm about to get married in like a month and a half. In fact, the day I'm filming this, it's 7 weeks from today I'm getting married. So I'm not about to screw up my skincare. So I was like, you know what, I better be safe than sorry. I'm gonna buy the real one from Sephora, and then after my wedding, I'll play around with the Amazon version of it. But this is the best moisturizer ever. I also traveled on over to Little Miss Victoria's Secret. I had some stuff I wanted to return. I did a huge online haul not too long ago buying like wedding lingerie, and I didn't like 70% of the stuff I bought, so I was returning it. And then while I was there, I picked up some new goodies. So I picked up a bra and some matching panties. These are in like the seafoam bluish greenish really pretty color. These are just cotton low-rise. And then the bra I got is in the Body by Victoria perfect coverage. Yeah, lined perfect coverage. I just love this color. I don't own any bras this color. There's also kind of like a little iridescent patch right here. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the perfect coverage Body by Victoria is my favorite bra. I have this bra in several different colors, but not this color. It's so spring and so pretty, so very happy I picked that up. I also ventured on over to Nordstrom. So I actually looked for this product at Sephora, and they're sold out. And they've been sold out online, they've been sold out in store, they're sold out everywhere. They're even sold out on Nordstrom.com. So I figured I would check Nordstrom in store. And this, by the way, I'm talking about the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. People are talking about this on social media right now, so I think that's why it's sold out everywhere. But they didn't have it at Sephora, they didn't have it at Nordstrom, but they did have it in this kit. So this is the Healthy Skin Trio kit by Bobbi Brown, and it includes that vitamin enriched face base as well as the oil cleanser that I haven't tried yet, but I love cleanse off oils. Like I'm all about cleanse off oils. I was gonna pick one up during the Sephora sale, but now I have this Bobbi Brown one, so I might not need to. So it comes with a full-size bottle of their cleanse off oil, a full-size jar of their vitamin enriched face base, which I'm so excited to try, and then a little sample of their Radiance Boost mask. The lady at the Bobbi Brown counter was like obsessed with this. By the way, Lily is snoring in the background. My dog, Lily, so if you hear like, that's my dog. Anyways, she was like obsessed with this and was like, you're really gonna love that mask. I was like, lady, all I want is the face base. But anyway, she did tell me that this vitamin enriched face base is on back order for the entire company right now, Bobbi Brown company. So that's why you can't find it anywhere. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, it will be available so you can get it at Sephora at 15% off. I made a pit stop at Express. Express is my favorite clothing store. A lot of you guys will ask me where my tops are from, and like probably 99% of the time it's from Express. I just love Express. I feel like you can get a really good combination of business clothes there, casual clothes there, kind of dressy like tops like this there. So I get almost all my clothes from Express. I get like my work clothes, everything. So I actually had to swap out a pair of work pants. These are the Columnist ankle mid-rise. So I had bought a pair of these not too long ago, and they started to fray at the seam, which is very abnormal. I own a bunch of these and it's never happened before. So I went in there to exchange them, and no problem. I brought the receipt, they swapped it out for me, no problem at all. So these are probably my favorite work pants because they're ankle pants, so I can wear flats with them. I love heels, but they hurt my feet, man, and I don't want to get like corns and blisters right before my wedding. So So I really do enjoy ankle pants a lot. These are kind of more of a slim fit. I feel like they fit me very, very perfectly. I could wear my shirts tucked in or tucked out and they just look really good. So I swapped those out, and then I picked up 2 tops because tops were buy one, get one for $10. So I was like, yes, please. The first one I picked up, I feel like these are gonna be perfect for my wedding. So I am doing destination wedding at a resort, a tropical resort. So I feel like this is going to be absolutely perfect to wear with something at the resort. So it is kind of like a crop top. I actually am not a crop top person because I've always been very self-conscious of my tummy, but I have toned that tummy up and I am excited to show it off and wear crop tops like this. So this is like an off the shoulder crop top, so it'll kind of be like what I'm wearing right now with the off the shoulder and then the little tank up here. And I'm thinking I'm gonna wear it with either like white shorts or like pants, mid-rise pants, just depending. It's gonna be kind of hot there because it is a tropical environment, but I'm super excited. I feel like this is the perfect little like resort top. And then the second one I picked up, I actually might put this on today because it's really super pretty. It's also a very like tropical design, very like summery design, but I love tops like this. I can't wear them to work, but I can wear them like when I'm filming videos and on the weekends and stuff like that. So this actually, there's a button in the back to help you put it on, but this goes around your neck, and then this is off the shoulders right here. So both of these are in a size small, by the way, if you're curious for size reference. My pants, I wear a size 6. I wear a 6 in work pants and a 4 in jeans. Their work pants run a little bit smaller, so, but yeah, I feel like this is gonna be perfect. I actually might switch into this. I love off the shoulder tops. I just feel like they're very like flirty and fun, and they just show off your shoulders if you are proud of your shoulders or whatever. So anyways, yes, express and express. All right, I also went to Athleta. So Athleta is hands down my favorite workout clothing store. I'm actually not much of a fan of Lululemon. I feel like their clothes, their pants at least, are like super overpriced and the quality is not as good as Athleta. So I have a couple pair of Lulus. I will say Lulu's yoga pants, like strictly yoga pants, are really, really nice. Like if you're gonna wear them to like run errands and lounge around the house, Lily, you're snoring really loud, baby. Then they're like yoga pants, they're like naked pants, I think is what they're called. They're really good. But as far as like actual workout pants, love me some Athleta. So this was actually an exchange because I had this exact pair of pants, but in like the maroon color. And I bought them during Black Friday and I had not worn them. Like they were sitting in my drawer and I hadn't touched them since Black Friday, which was in November. And I think it's because I already had a pair of maroon wine workout pants, and there's only so many things you can pair maroon with, you know? So I think it was just the color that was throwing me off. So I swapped them out for black because I absolutely know I will love black. I actually already own this pair, this exact pants, and I wear them all the time. These are the Sculpt Tech pants. They're Sleeth 7/8, so they're ankle pants. And their Sculpt Tech pants are the bomb, you guys. They like suck you in and hold you in, and you just feel very like put together while you're working out. They're very shaping, and when you first put them on, they kind of feel like they might be too small. But trust me, that feeling is just like sucking you in, and they slim you out, and they just look so, so, so good. You really feel supported when you wear these. So yeah, these are just the normal regular Sculpt Tech. They also have Sculpt Tech Light now, and I have a pair of those as well in gray, and the fabric just feels different. I don't hate them, but I don't love them. So if you're gonna get some, stick to the original Sculpt Tech. These are just the plain black. They have some with like mesh panels. They have them in different colors, but the plain black Sculpt Techs are my absolute favorite. There's also an Ulta, like semi-close to my mall, that I went to. So by the time this video goes up, the 21 Days of Beauty is gonna be long over. But the 21 Days of Beauty is going on right now. And I picked up some stuff there. But the first thing I picked up, where did I put it? Here it is. It's the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I picked this up in the color NW15, and it's a smidge too dark for me. I usually wear NW13, But we're kind of cruising into summertime now, and I'm hoping to get a tiny bit of a tan before my wedding. I'm actually wearing it today, and I feel like it looks absolutely perfectly fine, especially when you lighten it up with a little bit of concealer and bronze down your neck. Like, it looks totally fine. But this foundation is really super good. This is the first full-size bottle of it I've purchased. I've always had just a little sample of it. But it is, I mean, my skin, I can't stop staring at myself in the viewfinder or the mirror right below me because my skin looks so good. It looks like airbrushed and photoshopped and just perfectly smooth. I have a feeling this is going to be my wedding foundation. I'm like 90% positive that this is going to be my wedding foundation. I have to flashback test it tonight, but yeah. Bought this at Ulta. So the deal of the day today, well yesterday when I went, was the Tarte lip products for only $10. So I picked up one of the Tarteist quick dry lip paints in the color Bounce. I've actually talked to you guys about this before. I got the color Bestie at Gen Beauty San Francisco, I think, LA, one of the Gen Beauties. And I really, really like it. So it's like a nice kind of watery matte lipstick, dries down, doesn't dry out your lips, looks really good, doesn't bleed or anything like that. Their color selection was kind of minimal because I went pretty late in the day, so I missed out on all the good colors. But Bounce is really pretty. It's kind of like a dark mauvey color. I actually really do love colors like this. So here is what it looks like. Kind of like a darker My Lips but better, and when it dries down it's matte and it's like super thin. So these were on sale for 10 bucks. I picked that up, and then when I was at the register I saw that they had their Too Faced Melted Latex on sale. I've never tried these before. I have no idea if I'm gonna like it, but they were only $10. I think they're discontinuing them. So I picked up the color Peekaboo, which is this really pretty nude color. If you can see, actually kind of is like what I'm wearing right now. From what I know, these latex, melted latex are kind of sticky. They're like a sticky, tacky gloss. Oh, that's so pretty. Gosh, that's so pretty. Actually, I'm gonna put some on right now. There's definitely a scent to it. Very mild scent. So, I don't know, people either love them or hate them, so I figured I would try it out myself, see if I love it or if I hate it. Alright, last thing I picked up from Ulta is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is in the grapefruit scent, which I've never tried before, but I've been trying to get my Holy Grail skincare products in travel versions to gear up for my wedding. And I have this in like a giant tube that'll probably take me months to go through, but that's not realistic to travel with. So I picked this up to bring along with me to my wedding. All right guys, well that is the end of my mall haul. Let me know if you like videos like this. I am so surprised I didn't go to Bath & Body Works. I resisted Bath & Body Works, you guys. Actually, Matt really likes going to Bath & Body Works. He'll never admit it, but there's days where he's like, hey, you wanna go to the mall and sniff candles? So I think that's kind of why subconsciously I was like, I'll wait and go with Matt, but usually I buy like a bunch of candles. So I'm surprised I didn't go to Bath & Body Works, but let me know if you like mall hauls or like collective hauls like this, and I will film them for you whenever I do them. It's not very often, ever. It's not very often, especially now when I'm trying to save for wedding. But yeah, let me know and I will continue to film them. That's about it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.